Hello guys, Game Changers back again, showing you how to get Pandahelper VIP for free on iOS 9, 10, 11 and 12 and even 13 when that comes out. So let's get into the video. Hey guys, so as I said, I am showing you how to get Pandahelper VIP for free on iOS 9, 10, 11 and 12, all using this new Cydia alternative that was discontinued and then brought back. It is a lot better now that it's been brought back. The style of it does look a lot better, but obviously you can use this Cydia alternative to get a VIP version of Pandahelper for absolutely free. As you can see, I had two apps next to the Pandahelper VIP. They're apps that I downloaded to test that it was working, and it is 100% working. You may have problems. You do have to go into airplane mode to actually get it to work. So when you download it, you'll have to go, as you can see, the apps are downloading in this pack. But when you download Pandahelper, when you open it up, it'll tell you that it's not verified. You'll have to slide up on your device to get the control center up and turn airplane mode on, and then refresh. Go out of the app, and then go back into it. As soon as you go back into it, it'll load up saying error, unable to load. Turn off airplane mode and then tap, and it'll load it up like normal, and then you can start downloading apps and using the app as if you owned it already. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just waiting for these apps to download now, and then near the end of the video I'll show you how to actually download Pandahelper VIP. Also guys, I do apologise, I have been gone for a while. My missus has been pretty ill, back and forth to the hospital due to her epilepsy, but I'm back now. I've also been working a lot and working late shifts, so I haven't been able to upload, but here I am. So yeah, you want to go to this website, I think it'll be down in the description below. You want to scroll down, tap install, put your password in. Next, install again, done. And as you can see, it's on my home screen here. You want to tap on here, wait for it to load up. Once it loads up, you want to press on no jailbreak section, that's no JB. After you want to keep tapping X, the X up in the top corner for that ad. It's a bit of a strange one. But then you want to go into all apps, keep scrolling down, and you'll find Pandahelper VIP. And that's pretty much it. You want to tap on it and it will start installing. So guys, if this video helped you out and you did enjoy it, please don't forget to comment, subscribe and like the video, and I'll bring a lot more content out for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.